Every anime sound you hear is secretly fake. Foley artists craft every sword clash and footstep you hear. But the bizarre source of that iconic sound will shock you. These sound magicians use everyday items to create every non-dialogue sound, making anime worlds truly immersive. Footsteps on snow, often cornstarch. The satisfying crunch of bones, celery snapping close to a microphone. They use bizarre objects, coconuts for horse hooves, leather gloves for flapping wings, and even sheet metal for thunder. The iconic anime energy blast? Often a vacuum cleaner mixed with a reverse symbol. What sound did you think was real?